In this video, you'll learn how to transfer funds from your eBay account to your bank account. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your payouts effectively and ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. Start by logging into your eBay seller account through the official website. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Payments or Payout Settings within your account dashboard. This section is where you can manage how you receive funds from your sales. It is essential to ensure that your account is verified before adding any payout details. This verification process helps prevent potential issues with receiving your funds. Next, if you have not yet added your bank account details, you will need to do so in the payout method section. Enter all required information accurately, as this is crucial for a successful transfer. The eBay system may initiate a verification process to confirm that the bank account belongs to you. Follow the instructions provided on the screen, which may include receiving a small deposit or completing an authentication step. Completing this verification is vital to avoid any delays in receiving your payouts. Once your bank account is verified and connected, eBay will automatically send payouts based on the schedule you have selected. Typically, funds from completed sales will be transferred directly to your registered bank account. You can keep track of these transactions by navigating to the payment summary page, which shows recent activity and your transfer history. Regularly monitoring this page helps you stay informed about your business finances and ensures that payments are received without any issues. It is important to be aware that the timing of your payouts may vary based on your account settings. If you notice any discrepancies or delays, double-check your bank account information and ensure that your account is in good standing. Additionally, consider your internet speed when managing your account online, as slow connections may affect your ability to access information promptly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.